The world premiere of the all-new Skoda Epiq officially took place today at the Umwelt Arena in Zurich, Switzerland, giving the public its first full look at one of Skoda's most important electric vehicles yet. The event marked a major step for the Czech automaker as it continued expanding its electric lineup with a smaller and more affordable sport utility vehicle designed specifically for the growing European electric market.
Hello, welcome everyone. Good afternoon. This is the moment that we've been building towards. You've seen the world surrounding the Epiq, the design, the creativity, and the technology. Now it's time to finally meet the car itself and the team. Hi, Klaus.
Hey, Jen, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
And good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Epiq stage setting, reflecting the fun, colorful character of our all-new urban SUV crossover. The Epiq is unmistakably Skoda. Compact, clever, and confident.
And colorful.
Totally.
Klaus, I see you've already taken a spin on the plaza. Well, it does look great here. What else can you tell us?
Well, it's our first series model to fully adopt the modern solid design language, and it sets a new benchmark for an entry-level electric model at Skoda. A benchmark with clean lines, generous interior space, including 475 liters of trunk space, safety systems from higher segments, and real everyday value. Starting at around 26,000 euros, it brings electric mobility to a broader audience.
Exactly. It's about making EV adoption feel natural and affordable for, well, everyday customers.
Totally, Jen. And ladies and gentlemen, this car shows what happens when design, technology, and passion come together. Simple to live with, easy to use, and fun to drive.
Agreed. And I think I know some others who might want to join us. Please welcome Martin Jahn, Head of Sales and Marketing, and Johannes Neft, Head of Technical Development. Hi, Martin. Hi, Johannes. So, Martin, the Epiq. Why is it so important right now?
Now it's all about the small SUV segment. This is where the mobility is changing fastest. It's urban, it's compact, and it's electric. And customers want an entry into electric mobility that feels normal, not experimental. And this segment is about volume, and it's about making electric to feel convenient.
Speaking of what feels normal, how do you think everyday customers will react to the Epiq?
Well, of course, they will love it because it's a great and cool car. And they will see a Skoda that they recognize. They will appreciate design, size, space, and the affordability. And Epiq makes the electric mobility very affordable and easier to reach. That's what many customers are waiting for. And they will feel that this car was made for their everyday life.
And Johannes, from the engineering side, what do you think stands out most about the Epiq?
Clarity. Nothing is overdone. Every element has a reason, from the design language to the interior to the digital features.
So what about the interior? What do you think customers will notice when they first enter the car?
Just give the camera the chance to have a look inside. And then the first thing which you will notice is everything has its place. The interior is open and calm. Controls are intuitive, digital where it helps, not where it distracts. Epiq is designed to make daily use easy.
And give us more data or more facts about the technology inside, Johannes.
Yeah, we have a very efficient electric performance, easy to drive, perfect maneuverability, smart connectivity, and all the safety features people expect from a Skoda.
Well, thank you so much, Johannes. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you, Martin. Johannes, join me at the bar.
They're going to go for a drink at the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, the Epiq will bring even more people into electric mobility with confidence and with joy. At the same time, it will be part of doubling our fully electric portfolio this year, alongside the all-new Peak, that will launch soon as our 7-seater flagship. I'm pleased and proud to introduce all of you here in the arena and our live stream followers to this new star of electric mobility at Skoda. Now, let me say a big thank you to our live stream audience for joining us. Bye-bye. And those of you in the arena, you're invited to come closer, see the car and experience Epiq for yourself. Thank you very much.